Welcome to this updated tutorial on how to add your phone number to Facebook. This process is straightforward and will help you enhance your account security and stay connected with friends and family. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, you'll see your newsfeed. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three horizontal lines. This will open the menu, where you can access various settings and features. Scroll down through the menu until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on this option and then select Settings from the next screen. This will take you to the Accounts Center, where you can manage your account details. Under the Account Center, tap on Personal Details. This section allows you to update your profile information, including your contact details. Now tap on Contact Info, which will show you any existing contact information linked to your account. To add a new phone number, tap on Add New Contact at the bottom of the screen. Then, select Add Mobile Number. You'll be prompted to enter your phone number, including the country code. Make sure to choose which accounts you want to associate with this number, such as Facebook or Instagram. Once you've entered your number, Facebook will send a verification code to that number. This step is crucial to ensure that you have access to the phone number you're adding. Enter the verification code you receive and tap Confirm to complete the process. That's it. Your phone number is now added to your Facebook account. You can manage this information by returning to the Contact Info section. Here, you can edit which accounts are linked to your number or even delete it if needed. Adding your phone number to Facebook not only enhances security, but also makes it easier to recover your account if you forget your password. Plus, it allows you to receive important notifications directly on your phone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials.